I needed to hear this. God is good, always. He protects your heart from those who come to steal, kill, and destroy. Even when the world feels dark, you can still choose to see the good. Sometimes it takes faith to look deeper than the surface. Take a breath and let me show you what I see. Jeremiah 17, verse 7 says, "Blessed is the man that trusteth in the Lord, and whose hope the Lord is." Before I read my poem today, remember, even in difficult times, God is faithful. Keep your heart guarded, trust in His goodness, and choose to see the good around you. And here I go, the good I see. The good I see in all humanity surpasses my curiosity. Yet, sometimes I wonder if it could be dangerous for me. Not always able to differentiate the hidden thoughts within everyone can become an unforeseen circumstance. Still, I choose to see the good in others. It's a decision each of us must choose. Seeing good can make you look naive when heartless ones make you grieve. When words deceive and innocence cheated, leaving feelings conflicted and defeated. I ask myself, what good does it do for me to dwell on the goodness I believe? I hope and pray that everyone I see carries good intentions and worthy deeds. That there is God in everyone to be found if we look deeper than the surface shown. My friend, love God first and yourself. Peace.